We're here in The Hague at the International Criminal Court, where former President of the Philippines, Rodrigo Duterte, is facing a landmark hearing.
Over the next week, ICC judges will hear evidence to determine whether to send this case to trial.
Rodrigo Duterte is facing charges for the crime against humanity of murder and attempted murder. This is in relation to the many thousands of killings of drug users and criminal suspects that occurred when he was both the mayor of Davao City and then nationwide when he was president of the Philippines.
This morning, we sat in a packed public gallery where we heard the prosecution, Duterte's lawyers, and representative for victims giving their opening statements. After the end of this hearing on Friday, February 27th, the judges will have 60 days to issue a decision as to whether to confirm the charges against Duterte and to send this case to trial.
Human Rights Watch has a long record of documenting the killings that occurred when Duterte was both mayor of Davao City and also as president of the Philippines. We started documenting these crimes way back in 2008 and 2009. Today really shows the power of human rights documentation to hold perpetrators of abuses to account. No one is above the law.